Om Namah Shivaya. So today I want to talk about two very important things. Those are nothing but our Yama Niyama. These Yamas Niyamas mentioned by Patanjali. 5 rules in Yama, 5 rules in Niyama. Yama, first one is Ahimsa, Satyam, Astheya, Brahmacharya, Aparigraha. This Ahimsa means, we know, in non-violence. A non-violent person means 100%, come what may. Person who maintains non-violence, nobody can harm that person. No one can touch you if you are 100% non-violent. Not only that, now when you are violent, what happens? You lose your peace. Look at the violent person's characteristics. A peaceful person means non-violent person. Second one is Satyam. A truthful person, a person who doesn't tell lies, is highly respected in the society. In your family, you become very respected person. In the organization, you will be highly respected if you are a truthful person. In your village, you become a popular person if you are a truthful person. Come what may, what is the purpose of telling lies? Telling lies means weak mind. What do you get by telling lies? You feel regret that you are telling lies. Yes. You need the courage to tell the truth. Third one, Astheya. What is this Astheya? We always say, oh, he has got that. It is not comparison, but we wish. I wish, my height is little height, I could have married. Or my height is, I could have selected, maybe I could have gone to military. Whatever is, what you have is the ultimate. You are a special product created by the divine. Thumb impression is very unique. Voice is very unique. You want to achieve something what somebody has, achieve it, but don't feel bad now. Why to feel bad now? What is that you get it? Why to spoil mine? You can achieve better than that person. But don't feel bad now because you don't have that. So never feel bad because you don't have that. So don't feel bad by wishing something what you don't have. It's okay. You're going to achieve that. So be happy. With a peaceful mind, with a happy mind, let us get it now. Remember, you can achieve any damn thing on the planet Earth. Just move ahead. Brahmacharya. Brahmacharya means people say celibacy. But my opinion, 90% people who maintain celibacy, even though they are not eligible to maintain celibacy, look at their faces. So serious, so horrible. Celibacy means, the Brahmacharya means, my Guru told, keeping mind on the bigger things, not on the forms and shapes of the body. Keep your mind on big things. I used to surprise why my Guru says, planet Earth is mine. So he took the responsibility. Wherever there is a problem, he goes. He has gone personally to 150 countries. He says the whole planet is mine. See, he took such a big sankalpa. So people who keep the mind on the bigger things, they're always happy. The small, small things won't shake them. People are struck on small objects. Aparigraha. Aparigraha means look at your life. How many times you are upset right now? Close your eyes and think about it. Most of the time, you are upset because somebody said something. Aparigraha means don't take anything from anybody. Same thing Lord Krishna said. Samatvam yoga uchayate. Person who maintains equanimity in all situations is yogi, not somebody who's doing some circus asanas. 99% yoga teachers are struck at asana, body level. They focus more and more and more on asanas. They have to put more effort on mind. Patanjali did not say any asana. Entire Yoga Sutras, no asanas are mentioned. Somebody saying good, it's okay. Somebody saying bad, it's okay. Somebody saying good, say thanks to them. Just watch them. Sometimes they try to trap you. Somebody saying bad, they're your well-wisher or your enemies. Well-wisher anyway, no problem, no. Your own father. Enemy, why to take care? Why to care about useless fellows? So in both scenarios, neither appreciation nor scolding, stay neutral. Then you are a yogi, yogini. Yogi means not doing, going to Himalayas, closing the nostril, yeah, maintaining equanimity. Don't lose your peace in all the situations. Somebody is scolding, you should remember aparigraha. Somebody is appreciating, you have to remember aparigraha. Maybe somebody is trying to trap you by appreciating. These 5 rules, social ethics, you will become super powerful, super strong mentally. Yeah, in my next video, I will talk about Niyamas, personal ethics. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you.